morning, children. How are you? Very fine? Very good. All of you open your EVS course book. All of you open your EVS course book, page number 39. All of you open your EVS course book, page number 39. Amma, in the previous class we learned about our country. In the previous class we learned about our country. Today we are going to learn about the world. Okay? And also about the continents. How many continents are there? 7 continents are there. Now I am going to explain about the continents. What is a continent? A continent is a huge stretch of land mass that rises above the level of water body around it. A continent is a landform. Continent is a huge landform. A continent is a huge landform surrounded by the water. Understand me? A continent is a huge landform. Huge, very big. Huge means very big. Huge landform surrounded by the water level. It is above the water level. Continent is above the water level. అంటే వాటర్ లెవెల్ కంటే ఎత్తుగా ఉంటుంది. It is a continent. There are 7 continents which together cover 1/4 area of the earth. The continents are Asia, Europe, Africa, North America, South America, Australia and Antarctica. It is believed that all these continents were once a single landmass called Pangea, which broke up plateau. A continent is a huge landmass, landform. Actually, Nana, if you take our earth, this is our earth, no? Amma, on our earth, 3/4 water is there. Means, if you cut into 4 parts, 3 parts water. 3 parts means 3/4 water is there on the earth. Water is covered 3/4. 3 parts water is there. And only 1 part, 1/4 of land is there. Understand me? On our earth, water bodies are more. Water is more. 3 parts water is there. 1 part land is there. Understand? 1/4 of land and 3/4 of water. 3/4, 3 parts water, 1 part land. If you cut an apple into 4 parts, మీరు ఒక యాపిల్ తీసుకుంటే దాన్ని 4 parts ఈక్వల్ పార్ట్స్ కట్ చేయండి. అంటే అందులో 3 parts వాటర్ ఉంటాయి, 1 part మాత్రమే ల్యాండ్ మాస్ ఉంటుంది, అంటే ల్యాండ్ ఉంటుంది. వాటర్ లెవెల్స్ ఆర్ మోర్ ఆన్ అవర్ ఎర్త్. మన ఎర్త్ పైన వాటర్ లెవెల్ ఎక్కువ ఉంటుంది. 75% of water is there and 25% of land is there. Okay? Water level is more than the land. This only 1/4 land is there, no? Only 1/4 of land is there. This 1/4 of land is having 7 continents. 1/4 of land. Water levels are more. వాటర్ లెవెల్ ఎక్కువ ఉంటుంది. ఎర్త్ ఈస్ హ్యావింగ్ ఎ లాట్ ఆఫ్ వాటర్ లెవెల్. ల్యాండ్ లెవెల్ ఈస్ లెస్. 1 part ల్యాండ్ ఈస్ దేర్. ఒకటే పార్ట్ ల్యాండ్ ఉంటుంది కదా. ఇన్ దిస్ 1/4 of land there are 7 continents. 7 continents are there on the landmass. What are the 7 continents? First one is Asia. First one is Asia, Europe, Africa, South America, North America, Australia and Antarctica. How many continents are there? 7 continents are there. How many continents are there? 7. First one is Asia. How many continents are there? 7 continents. Seven continents are there. First one is Asia. First one is Asia, Europe. Second one is Europe and the third one is Africa. Fourth one is South America and the fifth one is North America and Australia. Next, last one is Antarctica. Antarctica. 7 continents are there on the earth. What are the 7 continents? Asia, Europe, Africa, North America, South America, Australia and last one is Antarctica. These are the 7 continents. Okay? And the largest continent is Asia. Asia is the largest continent and Australia is the smallest continent. Understand me? Asia is the largest continent and Australia is the smallest continent. Our India is in the Asia continent. మన ఇండియా ఏ కాంటినెంట్ లో ఉంది? ఏషియాలో ఉంది. ఓకే. నెక్స్ట్ once there is a belief, once the scientists are saying that once these 7 continents are together, 7 continents are together, they are not divided. Understand? అర్థమవుతుందా మీకు? Once these 7, all the 7 continents are together, is only one landform. This all 7 continents, all these 7 continents are together. Together means they all are in one landform. ఈ one landform లోనే ఏమన్నా ఏషియా is there, South America is there, North America is there, and Australia is there, Antarctica is there, and all the 7 continents are together. All the 7 continents are together. The scientists are saying that once upon a time, in the olden days, long ago, all the 7 continents are together. After our earth is always in motion. Always in motion. మన ఎర్త్ ఏమవుతుందని చెప్పానా మీకు? ఎప్పుడు రొటేట్ అవుతుందని చెప్పానా? Always it is rotating around on its own axis. అంటే ఎర్త్ ఏమవుతుంది? ఎప్పుడు ఇలా తిరుగుతూ ఉంటుంది. Always This is the globe now. Always our earth is moving at a fixed speed. Always our earth is moving at a fixed speed. ఒక ఫిక్స్డ్ స్పీడ్తో చాలా ఫాస్ట్గా మూవ్ అవుతుంది కదా. దట్స్ వాట్ దీస్ ల్యాండ్ ఫార్మ్స్ ఆర్ డివైడెడ్. వన్స్ అపాన్ ఎ టైమ్ ఆల్ దీస్ 7 కాంటినెంట్స్ ఆర్ టుగెదర్. అన్ని 7 కాంటినెంట్స్ టుగెదర్గా ఉండే. మన ఎర్త్ ఏమవుతుంది, చాలా స్పీడ్తో ఏమవుతుందిరా, ఇట్ ఈస్ రొటేటింగ్. ఇట్ ఈస్ రొటేటింగ్ ఆన్ ఇట్స్ ఓన్ యాక్సిస్ ఎట్ ఏ ఫిక్స్డ్ స్పీడ్. చాలా స్పీడ్గా తిరుగుతుంది కదా. దట్స్ వాట్ దీస్ ల్యాండ్ ఫార్మ్స్ ఆర్ డివైడెడ్. ది ల్యాండ్ ఫార్మ్స్ ఆర్ డివైడెడ్ లైక్ దిస్. ది ల్యాండ్ ఫార్మ్స్ ఆర్ డివైడెడ్. అండర్స్టాండ్? ఫస్ట్ ఆఫ్ all the continents are together because of the motion of the earth. ఇప్పుడు మన ఎర్త్ తిరుగుతూ ఉంటుంది కదా. Because of that reason these 7 continents are divided. Okay, this is the reason. Now we are going to learn about the first continent. What's the first continent? Asia. Asia is the largest continent. Asia borders Africa and Europe. Africa and Europe to the west and Pacific Ocean to the east. It is the largest and most populated continent in the world. Mount Everest, the highest mountain on the earth, is in this continent. Asia was the birthplace of most religions of the world. First continent is Asia. Asia is the largest continent. Where is Asia? Where is our India? There is Asia. Here is our India, no? India is there. We can see India here. This is Asia. This is Asia continent. Europe and Africa are west to our Asia continent. Europe and Africa, both continents are west to our Asia. This is the Asia continent. Here is our India. Here is our country. And Indian Ocean is there. Indian Ocean is in the south. And the world highest mountain, Mount Everest. Mount Everest is located in Asian continent. The highest mountain, Mount Everest. Mount Everest is located in the Asian continent. This is Asia. And also a large number of continents. A large number of continents are located in Asia and also most populated continent. Asia is the largest continent, no? I said this. Asia is the largest continent and also most populated continent. Most populated అంటే ఎక్కువ people ఉన్న continent కూడా ఏషియానే. Asia is the largest continent and also most populated continent in the world is Asia. And also a lot of religions. Lot of religions also born in Asia continent. Understand me? Lot of religions means Hindus, Muslims, Sikhs, Jainis, Buddhists, like that. These all religions also born. Lot of religions also born in Asia continent. Okay? Lot of religions are there. Lot of languages are there. and a lot of population is there in Asia continent. Understand me? Next, Europe. Europe is the sixth largest and third most populous continent. It is bordered by the Mediterranean Sea to the south, Asia to the east, and the Atlantic Ocean to the west. Europe is the only continent on the earth without any desert. It is the richest continent. Second one is the Europe. Europe is west to us. మనకు వెస్ట్ సైడ్ లో ఉంటుంది యూరోప్. Here, this is Europe. This is Europe countries. A lot of Europe countries are there, and Europe is the richest continent. Europe is the richest continent. Understand me? Europe is the richest continent. Here, and also one more interesting thing about Europe. There are no deserts. There are no deserts in Europe. Europe is the only continent without deserts. Desert లేని కాంటినెంట్ ఏదిందిరా అంటే యూరోప్. యూరోప్లో అసలు డిజర్ట్స్ లేవు. There are no deserts in Europe. In Europe continent. And it is the sixth largest. Europe, here is the Europe. This is Europe, amma. Here is Europe. Europe is the sixth largest and third most populated country. Europe is the sixth largest and third populated country in the world. And Mediterranean Sea to the south and Asia to the east and Atlantic Ocean to the west. These are the borders of Europe. Okay? Next, Africa. Africa is the world's second largest and the second most populous continent. It is bordered by the Mediterranean Sea to the north, Atlantic Ocean to the west, and the Indian Ocean to the southeast. It is the hottest continent. It is also called the dark continent. The world's largest desert, the Sahara, and the world's largest river, Nile, are located in Africa. Africa. Under the Europe, Africa. Here is our Asia. ఇక్కడ ఏషియా ఉంటుంది. If you come to west side, here is Europe, and under the Europe, Africa is there. It is Africa. Africa is called as darkest continent. Africa is the dark continent because this continent is founded finally means lastly it was found. That's what it is called as dark continent. In this Africa, the world great desert, world first desert, Sahara desert is located in Africa. Sahara desert is located in Africa. Not only Sahara desert, and also a great famous river called the Nile. Nile river also located in Africa. Africa is the second largest and second populated country in the world. Second populated country and second largest country in the world is Africa. Their borders are Nile, Mediterranean Sea, and Atlantic Ocean, Indian Ocean and Europe are their borders. Next, Africa is the hottest country. Africa is the hottest country because it is, what is this? It is the hottest country because of it is near to the next, North America. North America is the third largest continent by area. It is bordered by the Atlantic Ocean to the east and the Pacific Ocean to the west. Greenland, the largest island in the world, is a geographical part of this continent. This largest freshwater lake in the world, Lake Superior, is located in this continent. North America. Next one is North America. North side North America and the south side South America. North America is the third continent by area. It is the third largest continent. Third largest continent is North America. And Atlantic Ocean to the east and Pacific Ocean to the west. In this North America, the world famous Lake Superior, freshwater lake called Lake Superior is located in North America. Next, South America. South America is located primarily in the southern hemisphere. It is bordered by the Atlantic Ocean to the east and the Pacific Ocean to the west. The biggest river carries more water in the world, Amazon, flows in this continent. The largest mountain range in the world, Andes, is located in South America. Under the North America, we see the South America. Here North America, down it is South America. It is also on the hemisphere. Here is southern hemisphere. North America is in the northern hemisphere and South America is in the southern hemisphere. Okay? Great Amazon river is located in South America and also a mountain range, a great mountain range also, Andes mountain range also located in South America. Amazon river and Andes mountain range also located in South America. Next, Australia. Australia is the smallest continent in the world and is known as the island continent. It is located to the southeast of Asia. It is surrounded by Indian Ocean and Pacific Ocean. Here we can find kangaroo, an animal which carries its baby in a pouch, and emu, a large bird which cannot fly. Finally, sixth one is Australia. Australia is the smallest continent. Australia is under Asia. Where is Asia? Here. Here is Asia. Here is Australia. Australia is the smallest continent. Australia is the smallest continent and example for the island. It is called as island continent. What is island? A land which is surrounded by four sides water. A land which is surrounded by four sides water. Four sides water unte dani emanale island antam. Okay, so Australia is a island because of Indian Ocean and here Indian Ocean is there, West Indian Ocean and Arabian Ocean is there, Pacific Oceans are there. Totally our Australia is surrounded by four sides water. So Australia is called as island continent and most famous animal called kangaroo. Most famous animal called kangaroo. Kangaroos are in Australia. Kangaroo. What is special of kangaroo? Kangaroo is a biggest bird, largest bird which cannot fly. Understand? Kangaroo is a largest bird, biggest bird which cannot fly. This cannot fly. And also it kept their babies in a pouch. Then a body lo oka pouch ante space untundi. Okay, he kept while it is while it is going here and there, it kept its babies in his pouch. That is a special of kangaroo. These kangaroos are in Australia. That is a special of Australia. And also it is the smallest continent. Australia is the smallest continent. Next, last one is Antarctica. Antarctica is the icy continent at the South Pole. It is called the frozen continent because 98% of land is permanently frozen. It is the highest, driest, windiest, emptiest, coldest place on the earth. There are no countries and no permanent residents in this continent. Penguins and seals are seen here. This is the Antarctica. Is a frozen continent. Frozen means a icy continent. It is here. Antarctica. You can see here Antarctica. This is the Antarctica continent. It is a frozen continent. 98% of land is icy. Antarctica continent lo mottam ice ikkada. Totally that continent is covered with ice. There are no people. In Antarctica continent, nobody live. No countries are there. No people are there. Nobody live there. Nobody can't live because it is frozen. అంటే ఎప్పుడు ఐసే ఉంటుంది అక్కడ. చాలా చలిగా ఉంటుంది. మొత్తం ఐసే ఉంటుంది అక్కడ. We can't live there. The people can't live in Antarctica country. No countries are there. No people are there. No residents is there in that continent. Understand? Antarctica continent is a empty continent. Nobody live in that continent. అర్థమైంది ఇక్కడ మీకు? Only in 6 continents there is a inhabitants. అంటే మనుషులు ఉండడానికి suitable place లో only 6 continent. 7th continent Antarctica is not suitable for inhabitants. 7th continent Antarctica is not suitable for living because it is always frozen. ఎప్పుడు అక్కడ మంచు పడుతూనే ఉంటుంది. ఓకే, ఆల్ ద Land, actually land is surrounded by ice. So that's what it is a frozen continent. Nobody can't live in that continent. Today's class is completed. Bye.